Alright kids, let's learn how to play the Bluey theme song. Make sure your guitar is in tune before starting. I have a video here if you need help with that. The cartoon series Bluey has become very popular, especially with my children. And I can see why, it's a pretty good show. For this tutorial, you can use a guitar pick, or you can just use your thumb to pluck the strings. But I'm gonna use a pick, a little red one. Did you know that this song's actually played on the harmonica? For the Bluey theme song, we're only gonna play on the bottom two strings. Let's play the following notes. On the first string, we're gonna play 4, 2, 0. Then we're gonna go up a string and play 4, 0, 2. Now we're gonna play the open first string, and then the second fret second string, and then the open second string. 4, 2, 0, 4, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. I'm using different fingers to play different frets. So when I play 4, I use my ring finger like this. And when I play 2s, I use my pointer finger like that. You can use one finger. So that's the first part. This melody is made up of two parts and they're almost exactly the same. 4, 2, 0, 4, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. And then the second part sounds almost exactly the same. It sounds like this. It's basically just the first part minus a couple notes. So the second part, you'll go 4, 2, 0 on the first string. Then you'll go up a string to the second fret, 4, 0, 2, and then you play the first string open. If this seems confusing to you, just take it one note at a time. You can rewind the video to figure out every single note. You can also play it in slow motion. I'm picking every note down. You guys, I get a lot of views on my YouTube videos and I'm very thankful for that, but I get only a tiny fraction of people subscribing to my channel. So if you subscribed, I would really appreciate that. And if you like this video, it will help other kids find it as well. Here's what it would sound like played with my thumb. I like to touch my fingers to the body of the guitar like this when I use my thumb to pick. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know how it goes in the comments.